Hello guys. This is Saras Hoshima speaking, the founder and the author of the iconic Forex Scalping Killing Killers. Once again, I'm back with a powerful strategy for trading on derivative broker. Well, with the strategy is specifically made for volatility index, right? Volatility index, right? So VIX 25, VIX 10, VIX 50, VIX 100, VIX 75 first, right? Or any other instrument that you might be interested in. This strategy, guys, works mostly on most instruments, right? I made this strategy, I think that was a month ago or 2 months ago. So ever since I have started using this strategy, guys, I've been killing the market like nobody's business. But I will show you the results of the strategy in a few minutes. But let's not waste any other time. Those who are new to the channel, guys, please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so that I can keep on adding more videos and strategies on how to trade on the forex market. Please guys, just do that for me as a favor so that I can be motivated also to keep on adding more strategies for you, just for free, guys. I don't sell anything, just for free. The only thing that you can do for me right now. All right, so the strategy is quite simple. For trading VIX. Okay, so the only thing that you just need to do is just go to indicators and add your stochastic oscillator. Under stochastic oscillator period and the slowings, there has to be 1 throughout. Then the period field has to be low or high. Then method simple. Then levels has to be 20, 80, 15, and 85. Then the style have to be black if your background is black. If your background is black, then if your background is white, then let them be white as well, because our intention is not to be able to see them, right? So then after that, you are going to have to add another indicator under indicator window that you have put your stochastic oscillator, which is Ichimoku. Then Ichimoku, settings of the Ichimoku, then Tenkan-sen 1, then Kijun-sen 13, Sanku-span 52. Then styles, Tenkan-sen has to be different from the background. Then the others have to be the same as the background, all right? Then once you're done, press done. Then add another Ichimoku, that is the settings of that Ichimoku. Tenkan-sen 5, Tenkan-sen Kijun-sen 26, then Sanku-span 13. Then the style, Tenkan-sen has to be different again. It has to be turquoise in this case, right? Then you can click done, because just let those others to be the same as your background. Then done. Then yeah. So this is how the strategy works, guys. Okay, on the Ichimoku there, the only thing that you have to always wait for is for the market to go over, overbought or oversold if you want to place trades. Okay, all the time. If you can't do that, then I don't know what will happen to your account. But look at this. There is this level here, the level 80 and 85. However, despite the fact that we have two levels there, I want you to know that once the market is just above 80, when the pink Ichimoku crosses beneath the turquoise one, it designates an opportunity of sell. But how do we place a sell? We don't just place a sell because the market has gave us an overbought level or situation there. Then the most important thing is to watch what's happening to your candles or to the chart as a whole, right? To your chart as a whole. Now, a few hours back, I gave this signal to my student when the market was just around here. I gave them a signal. So once you realize that the market is overbought, you have to look into another indicator on the main window, which is Ichimoku 10, then Ichimoku Tenkan-sen 10, then Sanku-span, it's gonna be 52. Then yeah, you can just press done. All right, that's how it has to be. So Let me tell you something, guys. This strategy, it works under 1 hour time frame only. I don't want people to be messing around with their account and coming back to me and say, blue account with your strategy, blah 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 blah. Nah, if you're just gonna be using 1 hour time frame, I'm sure, and I bet with you, you're always gonna win most of your trades. Okay, so this is the thing, guys. The strategy is mostly meant for scalping. As those of you who know me, you know that most of the time, even when I give out signals for scalping. I don't give signals for swing trading. But if you want signals for swing trading, I can always give you such kind of signals. But most of the time, I give out signals for scalping. I'm a good scalper myself. I know that, and there's nothing that can be done with that. Can't take that from me. It's something that I found myself being much more talented in, okay, or gifted in, let me say. So the strategy, as it works under 1 hour time frame. Remember, for those who don't know anything about candlestick formation, when you have opened your chart under 1 hour time frame, every candlestick here, it takes an hour for it to be formed. Okay, even this small one, it took it took the market an hour for it to form this candle here. All right, so these candles represent the markets. So when you are dealing with this strategy, you make sure that an hour has to elapse first for you to place a trade. Okay, so if, let's say, we were placing this trade at 7 p.m. Okay, so we have to wait for 7 p.m. on the dot. Okay, so when it gave us 7, when the clock showed us that the time was 7 p.m. on the dot, that's when we place a trade, when now 7 had started counting, going now to 8. Okay, so even this one, it closed at 8. Okay, so most of the time, make sure that you wait for a candlestick that has been forming to finish forming first, because if I was to wait for the market to go below this Ichimoku that I've put on my main window, if I could have just waited for it to go below and not waited for it to close below, then sometimes you realize that the market will still pull back with you, right? So this is the thing, guys. There's this Ichimoku on the main chart. Okay, every time, if you have seen that the market here down on the stochastic was overbought, then the next thing that you have to look into is this Ichimoku. Once the price closes below that level or that Ichimoku, then you know that that's a big sign of a sell. Okay, so if you sold here, this is where I took it with my other students. We took it from here, then we close somewhere here. I know that there are some who are still holding, of which is still good, but then as it for me, I was just scalping. That's why I took it and then I closed somewhere here. Okay, so this is how it is, guys, all the time. When the market gets overbought, you look into this level here of the Ichimoku. Then once the market closes or the prices closes below that Ichimoku, the first candlestick, exactly when it closes, then you place your sell. Okay, let's scroll back and look for yeah, like this one here. You see, I'm back testing, guys. Remember, back testing is not like live trading most of the time. So when the pink Ichimoku went beneath the turquoise one, I knew that even here, the market, once it goes below my Ichimoku and closes here, I would have placed a sell here, then went down with the market. Most of the time, I just trade. With this strategy, guys, one instrument that I want you to always pay attention to is VIX 100. You see, even here, I place some trades. I was just scalping, and I held only one. Then it went down with me. I made profit, then I closed. You see, the market was overbought. Then I sold. Okay, all the time here, I was just afraid, just scalping, just going out. Sometimes, guys, even buying, I just take them then go out. So I want you to look at this. Let me just scroll back. Yeah, like here, guys, see? I see here. Even if you can just use a big lot size, but be very careful when you're doing that, okay? Just when the market closed here, I did take this one. Even if I take a 1 hour candlestick, I'll be okay because I'm just scalping most of the time, right? So it just went below, then we took it a sell, then it went down, okay? it went down. Here again, same thing happened. You see, price closed below, then it went down. The market had to drive down, right? Yeah, I don't want this video to take forever, guys. Let's go and try to find buying opportunities. Same thing has to be visible when you are buying. All right, this is VIX. So whenever the market shows you that it's oversold, once the market is below the level 20 on the stochastic here, and then what happens is that the pink Ichimoku goes above the turquoise one, and then even here when the market closes above this Ichimoku, the market closed here, then when it closed here, what I did, I gave out a signal on my group, or then I gave out, then the market wanted to go against us, but because we know what we are doing, we didn't close that trade, we just held it. So after some hours, we saw that the market was pulling in our direction. So this means that this strategy, guys, if you're going to be using it most of the time, you're going to be making money. I'm telling you, I know that there are people who never believe what we say, but I want you to test it out first on your demo account for at least a week or 2 weeks, then get to give me feedback after you are done. Okay, fine. Here the market was oversold, then it pulled up. When it got here, we bought, then we held, the market went up. All right, so there's the one other thing that I want you to understand, guys. If at all the market gives you a signal, all right, and then it pulls against you, and then it pulls against you, guys, I want you to always know that if it could have happened here in the situation that the market has pulled against us, we know that where it pulls this level here, remember when we are dealing with our price action, we will know that this would be the support. So obviously when the market is roughly at this level here, we know that the market will pull up. All right, most of the time it will do that. Okay, so if it wasn't doing any fake outs and whatnot, it would have pulled up. So this is it. Let me take one more code which I like most, which is VIX 50 and VIX 100, guys. They do very well on the strategy. So you see, even here we anticipated a buy, then we bought. I bought with big lot sizes, that's why I had to close very quick. Okay, we bought, then we made money, then yeah, let me show you this thing, guys. This thing, I know how to do it without doubt. All right, okay, you see, even here the market was oversold. Okay, then what happened is that it closed here, then we bought. Even when we bought, some did close after this candlestick, but some just held it, then it came back, then he had to shoot. And that's how simple the strategy is, guys. That's how simple the strategy is. Even here, look at this, guys. VIX 50, VIX 100. Trust them on the strategy. Okay, the only one that I don't really trust that much is VIX 75 and VIX 10. But VIX 10 is very easy to trade. Those who have been trading in they will tell you that VIX is very easy for you to trade. But sometimes it kind of misbehave. You see, here it closed, the price closed below that Ichimoku there. Here it was overbought, then it had to drive down. All right, so I'll end here with this video, guys. So I'm just gonna be entertaining those who want to suggest anything that they want to learn from me, either simple price action, whatever thing that you want me to teach. Please, guys, just be free to let me know what you want me to teach you, if it's crash and boom, or if you want me to clarify anything that I've ever taught here. Make sure that you talk to me so that I can get back to you and share with you anything. Or if you have a strategy that you want to share on this channel, or you want me to share on this channel, you feel free to pass it on to me. Then I'll test it. After I test it, I'll also share it for free here. All right, this channel, remember, it's meant for sharing everything for free. All right, so this how the strategy has been doing, guys. Look at this. This is how it has been doing. You see, this was a sell, right? this was a sell, this was a buy, right? Every time when this strategy, when it gives us a signal, we go on it, we kill it. That's how we do all the time, okay? That's how we do it. These are the results. These are the results. These are the results. And again, let me show you this very quick. Let me show you this very quick. All right, this is my WhatsApp group, ne? This is my WhatsApp group, ne? I don't know. I want to show you my accuracy on my signals. I don't know when did I send this. Just want to show you something, okay? All right. So from 1st January this year, 2021 till 17 February, total signal that have been sent to the group are 73, and total lost signal 5, then total won signal 68. That's a big achievement on the group, okay? That's a big achievement. So let me just show you this, guys. Let me just show you this. Every time when we trade to make money, ne? We trade to make money, ne? Yeah, this was it. This was it, guys. This was it. Every time when we trade to move the market. All right. So this is it, guys. Every time when I give out a signal, ne? Yeah, this was one of the signals that we lost. Every time when I send signals, guys, we have to milk the market. We have to milk the market, right? Yeah, this is it, guys. This is it, guys. So if you want to talk to me, I will leave my number in the description below so that you can talk to me and you get to learn a lot from me. Please, guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so that I can keep on adding more strategies on how to use the strategies to the channel so that we can all make money, okay? So this one, it went against us, but then we sold up there. So yeah, that's it, guys. That's a wrap. So hope you all will like and subscribe to the channel. Right, yeah, very soon I'm gonna be adding this strategy. This strategy, guys, is one of the strategies that I've been using to trade crash and boom. But this strategy, I don't want it to add this one, but because the strategy would demand me more time for me to record the video, that's why I haven't been able to share it with you guys. But as you can see, guys, we are milking the market. We're always killing the market. Right? We are always killing the market. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends so that we can all learn. Okay? So this is me. I'm signing out.